Imagine yourself in this cheap 2011 Grand Cherokee Laredo. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 3.6L VVT V6 flex fuel engine, STD, 18-inch aluminum wheels, 26X Laredo customer preferred order selection package included, 3.6L V6 engine 5-speed auto trans 115-volt aux power outlet 180-amp alternator 18-inch aluminum wheels 506-watt amp, 8 speakers subwoofer dual-zone automatic air conditioning cargo compartment cover heated front seats leather wrap shift knob media center 430 watts per candela DVD player hard disk drive USB port P265/60R 18 on off-road tires park sense rear park assist park view backup camera power 8-way driver passenger